Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the VIVO X200 FE. Okay, so first we need to open up our WhatsApp, just in here, and now we can get access into the settings by clicking those three dots in the top right corner, and now click on the settings. Now we need to click on the chats. In here, now scroll down a little bit and click on Chat Backup. Okay, and now let's begin with a few things. So let's begin with the Google account right in here. And in here, currently I have this account selected. And remember that on this account, which is right now selected, the not the Google backup, but the WhatsApp backup will be saved and stored. So, for example, in the future, if you want to restore that backup, you need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. Of course, you can click on Add Account to add another one. Now, below we have option about the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option will be set on off, but we have different modes. As you can see, we have the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Currently, it's on the monthly, which means that the backup will be automatically made each month, and I don't need to do this manually, so it's pretty convenient and a comfortable option, and I think you should select something between those options available. Below we have option to include the videos. We can also turn it on, and on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right in here basically you create a unique password that you need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. So if you choose to create that backup key, that password, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, so once now everything is selected and described, click on this green button, backup. Now the process should start. In my case, it's not gonna take long because I don't have that many messages. Okay, and now our backup has been successfully made. We can see that the confirmation next to the last backup. We can see the hour, and as you can see, it's the same hour in my case. And below we can see the size. Also, make sure that you have some free storage space. Otherwise, you won't be able to create that backup. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.